Have you ever wondered what secrets the red planet Mars holds for us? Mars, our celestial neighbor, has been a source of intrigue and fascination for centuries. This enigmatic world, bathed in a hue of rusty red, has been the subject of countless science fiction tales and has captivated the imaginations of astronomers and explorers alike. But Mars is more than just a mesmerizing planet in our night sky. It represents the frontier of human exploration and scientific discovery. The journey to understand Mars began with NASA's early missions, a testament to human ingenuity and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. In the mid-20th century, we took our first leap towards unraveling the mysteries of Mars. The year was 1965, when Mariner 4, a spacecraft barely larger than a small car, embarked on an audacious journey. It was the first successful mission to fly by Mars, returning the first close-up images of another planet. These grainy black and white pictures transformed Mars from a distant point of light into a world with mountains, valleys, and craters. Fast forward to the summer of 1976, a year that marked another milestone in our exploration of Mars. The Viking 1 mission made a daring descent onto the Martian surface, becoming the first spacecraft to successfully land on Mars and perform its mission. Viking 1 not only sent back stunning panoramic vistas of Mars, but also conducted experiments that looked for signs of life. Though the quest for Martian life continues, Viking 1's groundbreaking mission paved the way for future exploration and marked a defining moment in our understanding of the Red Planet. These initial missions were not without challenges and setbacks, but they symbolize our collective desire to reach beyond our world, to explore the unknown. They were the stepping stones to Mars, setting the stage for an era of unprecedented discovery and exploration. Each mission, each discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? These initial missions set the stage for an era of unprecedented discovery and exploration. From detecting signs of water to identifying the potential for life, NASA's Mars missions have revolutionized our understanding of the Red Planet. It's a tale of exploration and discovery, of pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and venturing into the unknown. Long before the latest rovers left their tire tracks on Martian soil, intrepid explorers like the Phoenix Mars lander were making history. Launched in August of 2007, Phoenix touched down in the northern polar region of Mars. Its mission, to search for environments suitable for microbial life and to research the history of water on Mars. And it did just that, discovering water ice beneath the planet's surface. This was a game changer. It suggested that Mars, a planet we once thought of as dry and barren, could have once held the necessary conditions for life. Fast forward to the present, and we have the Curiosity rover, a car-sized vehicle exploring the Gale crater since August of 2012. Curiosity has been instrumental in revealing Mars's wet past. It has discovered that Gale crater held a lake billions of years ago, and not just any lake. This was a body of water that could have supported microbial life, transforming our understanding of the Red Planet. But it's not just about water and the potential for life. Mars missions have also given us insights into the planet's geology and climate, unveiling a world of towering volcanoes, deep canyons, and dramatic seasonal changes. These missions, these discoveries, have reshaped our view of Mars. They've shown us that it's not just a distant alien world, but a place with its own history, its own story to tell, and they've raised tantalizing possibilities about what we might find there in the future. These discoveries have paved the way for more ambitious missions, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. They've set the stage for the next chapter in our exploration of Mars, a chapter that could lead us to even more extraordinary discoveries. Today, NASA's Mars exploration is spearheaded by the Perseverance rover and the Ingenuity helicopter. The Mars 2020 mission is an ongoing endeavor that's been paving a new path for us in understanding the Red Planet. The two forerunners of this mission, the Perseverance rover and the Ingenuity helicopter, have been making remarkable strides since their arrival on Mars. Perseverance, affectionately known as Percy, is no ordinary rover. It is the most advanced astrobiology laboratory ever sent to another world. Its primary mission is to seek out signs of ancient life and collect samples of rock and regolith, broken rock and soil, for possible return to Earth. Perseverance is also studying the Martian climate and geology and paving the way for human exploration beyond the Moon. Now, let's talk about Ingenuity. the first aircraft to attempt powered, controlled flight on another planet. This little helicopter is a testament to human innovation and perseverance. It's not there to take pretty pictures or collect samples, no. Ingenuity is a technology demonstration, a proof of concept experiment. It's testing new technologies and capabilities for future robotic and possibly human missions. Together, Perseverance and Ingenuity make quite a team. As Perseverance roams the Jezero crater, once believed to be a lake about 3 billion years ago, Ingenuity scouts ahead, helping to guide the rover and plan the best scientific path forward. Yet it's not just about what these two can find on Mars. They are also testing technologies for converting Mars' carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere into oxygen, a crucial step for future human missions where astronauts will need to breathe and create rocket fuel. What we learn from Perseverance and Ingenuity will pave the way for future missions and possibly the first steps of humans on Mars. The exciting part, we are witnessing these monumental strides in our lifetime. These missions are not only expanding our knowledge of Mars, but also testing new technologies that could be used in future missions. As we look to the future, NASA's plans for Mars exploration are more ambitious than ever. The next chapter in this thrilling space saga is the Mars Sample Return mission, a bold endeavor that aims to bring Martian rock, soil, and atmosphere samples back to Earth for the first time. This mission is a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency, marking another milestone in international cooperation for space exploration. The Mars Sample Return mission, set to launch in the latter half of this decade, will use a rover to collect and store a diverse set of samples. A subsequent mission will then retrieve these samples and launch them into Mars orbit. From there, another spacecraft will capture the sample container in Mars orbit and bring it back to Earth. This mission is not just about the journey to Mars, but the journey back. However, the task is not as simple as it sounds. The mission faces numerous challenges, including the need for precise landing, sample collection, and the successful launch of the samples into Mars orbit. Yet, overcoming these challenges will pave the way for future, more complex missions. And speaking of future missions, let's talk about the elephant in the room: human exploration of Mars. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by the mid-2020s as a stepping stone for the next giant leap, sending astronauts to Mars. The challenges for human exploration are immense, from ensuring the health and safety of the crew to establishing sustainable living conditions on the red planet. But the rewards, they're even greater. Imagine stepping onto Martian soil, gazing upon alien landscapes, and perhaps discovering signs of past or present life. It's the stuff of dreams, and it's closer to reality than you might think. These future missions promise to take our exploration of Mars to new heights, opening up exciting possibilities for scientific discovery and human colonization. From the first successful flyby to the latest rover mission, NASA's exploration of Mars has come a long way. We've embarked on a grand expedition tracing the evolution of NASA's Mars missions, from the pioneering Mariner missions of the 1960s to the groundbreaking Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter of the present day. These are not just exploratory missions, they are testimonies of human curiosity and our relentless quest for knowledge. We've witnessed the historical achievements that have shaped our understanding of the Red Planet. The Viking landers of the 70s gave us our first close-up view of Mars. They performed on-the-spot biological tests, paving the way for future missions to search for signs of life. Fast forward to the 21st century, the Mars rovers, Spirit, Opportunity and Curiosity, have been our eyes and ears on the Martian surface, each mission pushing the boundaries of our capabilities and understanding. The latest in this lineage, the Perseverance rover and its companion Ingenuity, are taking our exploration to new heights, literally and metaphorically. We've also peeked into the future, a future that holds the promise of the Mars Sample Return mission, a mission that could potentially bring back samples from Mars to Earth. This could open up a whole new world of possibilities, including the tantalizing prospect of discovering signs of past or present life on Mars. And then there's the ultimate dream, human exploration of Mars, a dream that's inching closer to reality with each passing day, a dream that could redefine our place in the universe. As we've journeyed through the past, present, and future of Mars missions, We've seen how these explorations have reshaped our understanding of Mars and fueled our fascination with the potential for life beyond Earth. As we continue to explore the red frontier, who knows what secrets Mars still has in store for us? The journey has been incredible so far, and the best part is it's far from over. The red frontier still beckons, and we're just getting started.